Today, we are focusing on two specific objectives: completing the graphic organizer and the comprehension check on pages 87 and 88 of your workbook. To begin, you will need two tools: a blue pen for your final answers and a red pen or highlighter to mark the specific evidence you find within the text. We are treating this assignment like an investigation. Every answer you write down must be supported by physical proof that you can point to on the page. By tracking down explicit text evidence before making a choice, you are replacing guesswork with a process based on the words actually written on the page. Let's map the SWBST method. Somebody, Vina, won a talent contest, option E. She wanted to bridge a cultural gap, option A. But she felt different, option D. So she embraced both identities, option C. Then she felt proud of her background, option B. By filling out this chart, we extracted the core narrative from the passage. You now have a clear map of Vina's internal and external journey. Now, the comprehension check. Question 1 asks for the gist, the big picture. The final paragraph reflects on Vina navigating dual cultures, pointing us directly to option A. Question 2 is different. Detail questions require hunting for a specific fact explicitly stated in the text. The question asks what we can know from the interview. Looking back at page 84, Vina explicitly states she learned Vietnamese opera from her mother. Since Vina learned this skill from her mother, we can conclude her mother possesses proficiency in that tradition. This makes option B the correct choice. These are two distinct approaches: zoom out for the gist and zoom in for specific details. For question 3, find the referent for there. The golden rule is to check the preceding sentence. It discusses Vietnamese society, so there refers to Vietnam. We select option B. Question 4 is an inference challenge. Find the photograph that matches the specific text details. Let's establish our parameters. The text says the restaurant is in Taiwan, serves Southeast Asian food, and sits on a street with a mix of cultures. The first image is eliminated. The architecture and outdoor cafe seating indicate a European setting, not a street in Taiwan. Look at the third image. Traditional Chinese signage identifies Golden Dragon Nanyang cuisine, matching our parameters: a Southeast Asian restaurant on a Taiwanese street. Accurate inference requires taking explicit descriptions from the text and combining them with careful observation of the visual evidence. Let's review the completed exercises. Every blank and multiple choice answer is now supported by a clear trail of evidence. You haven't relied on a gut feeling. Because you marked the text, you have concrete proof for every choice you made. Consistently applying this look-back strategy bridges the gap between simply reading words and truly mastering comprehension.